I got that Last of Us almost done. I have like 6 videos put up. And I have 2 or 3 videos of Metro to put up. But it looks like most of the spots are taken until after August.
Oh, come on. Give me a good one. Oh, there we go. I think I'm going to hit the 7-wood.
Where are you at? That's exactly what I was thinking about hitting. How far are you out?
209.
Oh, yeah, I get to watch you then.
See if you're going to do it, huh?
Mm-hmm.
That's 40 foot uphill.
Got the thud.
Oh, yeah, that's a dead hit, wasn't it?
Yep. But I'm going to throw that thing in. I don't know why I haven't taken it off your fucking piece of shit club. Never works for me, ever.
Yeah.
Should have used this. I'd have had a better shot with the 3-wood.
I am 50 foot past the hole.
I want to hit a 4-iron.
Yeah, that might work pretty good.
I got to hit it straight though.
Oh, good hit. Oh, get up in the red and go back. Good shot.
Thank you.
I mean, I'll probably drain my putt.
Yeah. You should. That close.
Yeah. That's a good shot.
Yeah. Very nice.
Thanks. You too.
Thank you.
Oh,
You
I
been
think I
playing any
hit that.
battles on here, Dave?
Nah.
On the pro difficulty, because I saw your name on the leaderboard.
I've played some pro battles, but I'm not good at it.
Oh, you didn't hit it. I'm gonna miss this.
You guys both playing pro again?
Yeah, I'm on pro difficulty right now. Face it's on pro difficulty. Oh.
Well, shit, that don't make for a good video if you guys are playing on pro and you dust me.
I know you won last night. We didn't dust you last night.
Yeah.
That's going to be too far.
So I need to aim about right in there. Oh, come on. Get down, ball. Oh, just in the rough. Oh, that might not be bad. That might be a good lob wedge there. 64 out. Oh, you probably, I think, well, I don't know.
If you hit it too far, you're gonna be in the red, so it's gonna roll back toward the hole.
Oh, we got a little bit of a backstop. He's going for the green from the back tees.
Not a bad try.
No.
Did I tell you attachment cracked? Got a crack in it?
I knew it was going to do that. I just knew it.
You were breaking up. I couldn't hear you.
My club attachment got a crack in it now.
Oh, yeah, you told us. Yeah, you were saying something about that last night.
You fixed it though, right?
Well, I put this Gorilla Glue.
Why
clear
am I
grip
going
water?
to the right like that? Unbelievable. Shoot.
Say what, Dave?
Damn it. I bought this Gorilla Glue clear grip shit, and I put on there. It seems to be alright for now.
How did you crack? You hit something with it?
No, I guess it's just the way you push it down into the controller that it's
Oh, okay.
not built very good. Very thin plastic. I think if I had a 3D printer, I could build this same grip for practically nothing.
Oh, gosh. What a terrible putt.
What kind you going to get?
I afford it.
You going to get one of them expensive 3D printers? You got an excuse to get
I
one
can't.
now.
Creative,
afford
or
it.
whatever the hell it's called.
Oh,
Just get Steve to print you one. He's got access to those printers.
yeah.
All he needs is a file, right?
Yep. I don't know how to use the printer, though.
Oh, I'm sure you could shenagle some of them students into that.
Yeah.
Shenagle. I like Shenagle. My wife brought the dog down to go see the rabbit. She's like, "Thanks for leaving me
Ooh,
no
that looks
toilet
good.
paper in the bathroom." I'm like, "I don't even use that bathroom.
Oh,
Why you bring
no.
that shit on me?"
Wow. Right in the sand.
She's trying to blame you for it.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Oh, an accidental hit?
Yeah.
I saw that.
I forgot to turn that off.
I didn't hit that one good. Well, I better not. Come on, roll on back down, son. Roll towards the hole.
Steve, we know all about your I didn't hit it very good shots.
It made a weird noise. Sounded like a dud.
Oh,
Oh, don't go off the back. Ooh. Well, that's not bad. It's when you roll all the way down that hill right there. That's what's bad.
oh my God. It's almost right back to the same exact spot.
Oh, it rolled back down.
Dang. And that's how you ruin a game right here.
Oh, slow down, ball. Slow down.
It's not going to.
No.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
There it is.
A little late. It don't matter if your fourth shot's good.
Oh, gosh. What was that? It's just like it went through the club. God, that was a terrible putt.
Man, I'm on a bogey roll here.
I did that last
My
night.
God.
All right. Now we're on track.
This is
huh?
a pretty hard course, though.
Ah, come on, go back to the right. Get out of that rough. Oh yeah, there we go. Okay, that's not gonna be bad. Sandwich. all I
Steve's
got-
ball has ears on it. Did you know that?
Yeah, I've noticed. Listens to everything he says.
Except when I tell it to get in the hole.
It's a little stubborn.
Yeah,
Looks like a good hit.
yeah, that's a good one. Oh, that's an odd distance.
It's not bad. My sandwich only hits 107. That's 86 and 72 feet uphill.
Well, that looks like a good one.
Or
Oh, wow.
7.2 feet uphill. We'll be all right.
There it is. Get on that. Come on back. Come on back. There we go. All right. Maybe I can have. Maybe I'll have a better attempt at the putt on this one. Better than the last hole, anyway.
That's way off. Fuck you, Dave.
Ooh, get down, ball. Oh, that's gonna be a good one. That's gonna be a good one. Nice shot.
Oh, ball.
My gosh. That would have been gone on pro greens
Oh, I know it.
right off the front.
Yep.
That's what I wanted to do. Might have been a little closer, but
Oh, great. Oh,
Oh, man. I wish Golf Plus would get their shit together with these damn greens, man. I'm telling you.
oh. We got a par 5.
I wish Dave X would get his shit together.
Oh my gosh, what a terrible hit. Oh man. That is awful, awful, awful. What am I doing? I felt my hands open up on that shot.
God. That's way off.
Oh.
Have we ever played this game before?
This is our first time playing. That's what we'll tell everybody.
Dave's gonna keep me company, looks like. Yep. Hey, Dave.
Okay, come on, just get in the...
Who picked this course?
I don't know who that was. That was somebody. Name starts with a D, I think.
Damien?
Oh, no.
It's saying I'm not going to go anywhere. It's showing me just I'm going to hit right here.
I think you can get over it. Yeah. Oh, come on back. Come on back. Come on back. Come on back. There we go.
That's a shot I hate, man. I can't stand that shot.
Oh, that's a good shot.
Thank you. What a shot. What a shot.
Straight as can be.
Can't believe it.
Par 5. Should not.
Steve, Dave, did you cook anything good today?
No, I was eating leftovers, chili and
All right.
wings and grilled chicken.
Hmm.
Had a grilled chicken salad for lunch, and then I had wings and French fries for dinner.
Oh, of course. Well, you
think-
know, that's not bad.
Thinking next week I'm going to do Strombolis.
That's a lob wedge there.
Yep.
That ought to be good. Or is
Nope.
it too far right? Well, that's not bad.
It's not too bad.
No. Hit that red and come on back. Oh. Dang. Ah. Dang it.
Break.
In a hole. Oh.
God. That's what I'm
Good
talking about.
try.
Thank you. We might as well take these damn lines off these greens.
I tell you, I've noticed. It seems to me on this course, it don't break as much as you think it's going to.
Oh my God.
I don't like their line system in this game. It's hard to read. I know they tried to make it cool with the distance in between each one of them, but it just
Yeah,
doesn't
but
work.
where have they explained how to read them?
I agree. It doesn't feel like it works.
Oh, come on. Don't go off the back.
Did you
Oh.
drive? Did you use a driver?
Yeah. That's not bad. Got a nice little chip.
I'd say that's pretty good.
Yeah. Yeah. It's better than being over there in that sand trap. That ought to be good. Yep. Not bad.
Well,
A
now
little
I've got
too
the trap.
long.
Now, I don't think you're going to stick it on this screen. Not with a driver.
You don't think so?
No. Watch him stick it.
I'm not even
Foot
sure you
from
can
the hole.
make it with the 3-wood. It'd be close.
Oh my God, nope, nowhere near it.
You
There's
always
some sand traps. Over
you
there. I
always
wanna
hit
get.
over there, don't you? Oh, you're not in the
9
sand?
times out of 10, I do.
Well, but you're good at you're good at those flop shots. You'll be able to stick it there. Oh no. Oh no, that might be good. Yeah.
I'll take it.
Oh, slow down, ball. There it goes. Oh, it stayed up.
I was trying something. I wasn't sure how it would work.
Stop.
Keep trying to look at my wrist for a score.
Oh,
They could do a few things in this game to make it better, for sure.
Well, in the other game, they had those arrows on the green. I like that a lot better.
no, yeah.
Much easier to read.
Oh boy. Oh boy.
You know, if they had like a kind of like a putt preview type thing, might be cool.
Come on, be enough. Get up there. Get up there.
But I understand they're trying to make it
Hey,
play like a
dang it.
real simulation, though.
Caught that little slope of that hill and didn't bounce up there. I hit a 4-iron. I think a 7-wood might be too much.
I'm way off.
Yeah, you'll be good. You're not gonna be in the water though.
I want to hit a driver.
Bounce it off the rocks back there.
Yeah. God. Idiot.
Oh, that's a good one.
I try every once in a while.
Oh, slow down. No.
See, my putting's terrible, man. That's putting screws me most. And then bad chip shots close. If it's under 50 yards, forget it. I can't do it.
I tell you, the thing I find myself doing a lot is when it's breaking, I'll catch myself when I putting it with the brake. Like if I know it's gonna break left, I'll push it. I'll pull it to the left or push it to the right.
Mm-hmm.
I'm bad about that.
I think I just need to start when it's just like a little bit of brake like that. I shouldn't even read the brake. I should just hit it straight. A little bit more power.
That ain't bad.
I gotta start trying something different. Because what I'm doing is not working.
Well, I like your distance better than mine.
I know what I'm fixing to try.
What you gonna do?
I want to try watching the back of my eyelids for a little while.
Well,
That's a good one.
Thank you.
that's how far I'm out, 62 yards. I wish I was back there where Dave was. He's got a little more room to work with there. I have a feeling mine's gonna go too far.
I should hit a little bit more flat.
All right, come on back. Come on back. Not that way. Stop.
Well,
That's
you
not
went
too
up into the green and then it spun down into the red.
Yeah.
So you was just right above the red and then it just like spun down the hill.
Oh,
I'm
that
surprised
looks
you didn't
good.
go. I'm surprised you didn't go a lot further away than that.
Hmm.
Fuck you, fuck you, fuck you, fuck you very much.
What
And you
does
know
that say on his shirt? Oh, fit. I got you.
And you know the practice putting in this game doesn't help you with putting at all. It's so fucking stupid.
Good putt.
Thank you.
All right, go play my tournament round.
Alrighty.
Fields.
All right, fellas, that was fun.
Yeah, I'll see y'all tomorrow.
All right, y'all have a good
All
one.
right.
All right.
Y'all have a good one.
All right,
Later.
later.
All right, everybody. That was Wolf Creek, front nine. Didn't do too bad tonight. Better than the last time I played. Well, I hope you enjoyed that video. Check out my other videos. Give me a like, share, subscribe, comment, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Later.